We are surrounded by a society which is accelerating everything. Everything has to go fast. And I'm sure that someone is waiting for your answer or the decision which has to be made as soon as possible. There are more choices to make, more decisions to take, surrounded by an explosion of possibilities. How is it possible to not lose ourselves in all this? How can you find your way, and how can you make your right decisions? It's time to stop, sit down and think. Because your personality is made by your reflections, and that is why you should take time to sit down and think. Now there is one guy who's known for his huge success, and that is Warren Buffett. One of the principles was to sit down and think. If you want to hear more about this, please go and listen to my podcast, which you can find here. Enjoy!